Avida Real Tower 1, Tower 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the Tower 2. Tower 1, 3, 4, 5. That's the 38 Park Avenue. That's the area for the wave there. That's the upper ground amenity area, and that's the swimming pool. We will not go there, people are swimming. And that is the Tower 1 of the Avida Real. That's the Tower 3. We'll check the array. It's nicely manicured garden. That's the first swimming pool below, and that's the open garden. That's the 38 Park Avenue. We will try to check the 38 Park. Avida Real. This is going to the elevator of the Avida Towers. That's the old Avida, oh. That one, that's the old Avida. That's the 38 Park. 38 Park Avenue. We will try to check the streets. Go up little. This is the Avida Gardens, and we will try to check the streets below. That's the streets. That's the Cebu Business Park area over there, and this is the Cebu IT Park area, and that's the 38 Park Avenue. I want to zoom the penthouse of the 38 Park there. The top 4 floors are the penthouse, the bi-level penthouse of 38 Park Avenue. And this is the Avida. This is what you can see. That's the Dean and DeLuca. Can we try to check the Dean and DeLuca? That's the road below. And the Dean and DeLuca Cafe. And that's the location of the wave towers of the Cebulan Masters. It's pre-sealing. Let's go back because I think it's going to rain. That's the plan. We are here right now. Let's go back. Here is the swimming pool. Let's go back. That's it.